is my new Range Rover L405, the broken one. And this is where the engine should be. But instead, this is where my engine is. And it's all because of this. After buying a broken, vandalized Range Rover L405 from the auction and fixing an initial electrical fault, I discovered that it had an engine knocking. I then removed the oil filter, only to discover that it had metal particle in it. I also realized that the L405 had petrol inside it, or contaminated diesel, which was resulting in a bad white smoke coming out.